Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Ashley. And I'm so happy that you are here. I'm a lifestyle and fashion blogger, clearly in the middle of her morning routine. I thought about like getting ready for this video, but then I was like, why? We're all friends here. Who cares what I look like? And here we are. It's been a very long time since I've done a fashion DIY, but I thought this would be a fun random video to document because I found a pair of overalls on Pinterest that I will put right here. And I thought she looked so freaking cute in this outfit, and something came over me and I was like, I have to find overalls like this. Couldn't find them. Also completely realized that like I bought so many overalls in my life that I just don't actually wear. So I was like, this shouldn't be an investment piece. Honestly, I don't even know who I am thinking I can pull off this look like as cute as she can, but nonetheless, here we are. I ended up Googling incessantly until I found a pair of what I thought were very similar. They're like a blackish denim with white stitching, and the kicker is that they are men's overalls from Zara. And the best part is that I got them on major sale because of the Zara sale. So I knew going into this purchase that I would be essentially deconstructing the overalls. So they are a little bit big. I had to get a medium because it was all that they had left, and I was like, it's fine, I'll figure it out. They actually fit kind of cute already. It's like really baggy jeans and like kind of a low rise because this hits honestly like right where my underwear is. So my thought is I'm going to try and shrink them because I'm pretty sure they are 100% cotton. Yeah, they're 100% cotton. So I am going to, in my head, I keep wanting to say cook, and not it. I'm going to wash them in the washing machine on hot, and then I'm gonna dry them on hot, and hopefully they shrink and like maybe fade even a little bit, which I feel like it would still be really cute. And then we are going to come back and I'm gonna cut them up and see if we can replicate on our own DIY. It's been such a long time since I've DIY'd anything. The cute overalls from Pinterest. We'll be back. Okay, they have been taken out of the dryer. I think they might be a little bit shorter. They're definitely a little bit lighter, so they lost some of their dye. We're gonna try them on. I'm gonna show you what they look like now, and then we're gonna cut them. Okay, also cute. I feel like I could, today is a shoot day, so all my outfits are out. But I feel like I could also get some buttons to make these tighter and wear them like this, little edgy gal. But for Pinterest reference photo, she's wearing them down. Okay, so cute. I'm obsessed. Take you with me. Here is where we're at. And they're like as tight as they can pretty much go. But aren't they so cute? I really love how they fit. And the fact that they're on sale and I'm not like, you know, doing something stupid with a nice pair of overalls. So this is what they look like now. Thought this would be really cute. The shoes I'm envisioning, one second. This is the current situation. I'm envisioning these with it. They like are a fun pop of color. It's definitely an out there outfit for sure. What do we think? Just like gonna use this tripod like a crazy person. It's definitely unique, you know, like it's not for everyone, but that's why I love it, is because it's quite crazy. And my favorite thing to do is wear something that people are like, that's ugly, what are you doing? But this also makes me think I definitely need to cut them. But will I regret that is the question. Let me think on it. Let me grab some other shoes to compare. Okay, shoe option 2, which I feel like is definitely the safer route that like I think people would resonate with more. They're just my Air Force Ones. I still feel like I could benefit from cutting the pants. I mean, why not? That's why I got them, you know? So here we go. Let's do this. Okay, so I have my reference photo somewhere. Here she is. Okay, so she's got her, they're cut on the outside. Cutie little reference gal. Luna Listrup. Luna K. Listrup. I don't know. She's cute. I'm gonna stalk her on Instagram. But since the pants are already kind of like exactly where I essentially want them to be lengthwise, I'm not gonna cut very much at all. I'm just gonna cut the hem off right at the stitching. So literally just this strip, and then I'm gonna cut up just a little bit. So we wanna cut on the outside. If you guys have never cut jeans before, it's actually so easy, and it's hard to mess up because if you're cutting a pair of denim, you're obviously going after like an uneven hemline or like a raw edge. So even if you feel like the line isn't perfectly straight, you can easily distress it so that the denim starts to fray and kind of hides whatever work you've done. So it's not hard. Actually, I completely changed my mind. I'm actually gonna start by cutting up this way and leaving this hem because I don't know that I want these to be a frayed edge. So I'm just gonna start by cutting on the back. So this is the front of the denim. I'm gonna start cutting along the line, essentially on the back of the leg. And you need to use very sharp shears. Do not try and do this with dull scissors. You will just not do any justice to your clothing. Okay, so there we have it. Maybe a tiny bit more. Also best to just, you know, do small increments at first and then work your way up because you can always keep going. You can never add back on. You know what I mean? So a little at a time is the best, especially if you are new to cutting your clothes up. I'm obsessed with it and I've done it for years, so it does not intimidate me anymore. And yeah, just kind of went with it. And now I'm going to fold them together to see if we've got the cuts aligned. And definitely not even. There's about an inch, just a little bit on this side. Okay, so now that they're pretty even, we will try them on again. So here's where we're at. Got some 2-cut legs, and I left the hemline on so that the fraying will just be on the side. But I'm not gonna fray them yet, so stand by. Okay, I think they're very cute. Still have not mastered the angle of where you guys can see the whole outfit, but let's try this. Definitely can't see it. Can't even see the whole point of this. I haven't even looked in the mirror yet. Is it cute? Oh, it's so cute. It's definitely more like high fashion now, like not as like tomboy as it was, because they were men's pants and I feel like the way that they sat on my leg, you could tell. Now I feel like they are chic. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I haven't been this excited about an outfit in like a very long time. And I'm gonna do this gal. Wow, you guys, I'm so pumped about this fit. And I love the way the pants turned out. So I'm like so hyper right now. Let me see if I can show you a better close-up. So here we have it. Chic. See you at Fashion Week on the runway. Wow, I'm a designer. Just kidding. I got the idea from the cute Instagram girl, so can't claim this one, but it is so easy, you guys, to make your own clothing work for you, you know? I just bought this. I Googled the heck out of dark denim overalls and they weren't what I wanted, but they were clothes. So this is just your reminder that making your own clothes essentially is the way to go. So I'm going to shoot this today. If you have questions on cutting your denim, please comment below. I know I didn't show like any crazy tricks or anything. This is really just like you walking through the journey with me of cutting my overalls. Now I'm gonna shoot it for Instagram and I'm obsessed. I think I'm gonna go with the orange shoes. I feel like they are like a little out there, but my theory on clothing, or like my mantra, my beliefs, if someone doesn't like it, that's how I know I found the right outfit. I've always lived my life like that. And the other day I was venting to my sister about not being inspired, and she was like, you stopped like wearing weird things, like you started following the trends too much, like you need to get back to your roots. And I was like, I completely forgot about that side of me. Like I was the girl that would wear the things to school that people were like, that's weird, and I need to get back to that. Like, where did she go? I don't know. So I feel like this is like giving me life right now, because it's just, you know, it's one of those outfits that is, I think, would make people go, what? And that's my goal. That is always my goal. I want to make people think I'm weird with my outfits, you know, because life's too short. So like, subscribe, do all the things, comment below, find me on Instagram. Let's be online besties. You know the spiel. I love you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.